Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
Julie is a kind and friendly girl. She lives in a small but beautiful house. Her kitchen is bright and full of colors. Every morning she likes to cook breakfast. Today, her best friend Maria is coming. Julie feels very happy and excited. She cleans the kitchen carefully. She puts fresh flowers on the table. The smell of coffee fills the room. This is the start of a beautiful day. Maria arrives at Julie's house. She knocks on the door with a smile. Julie opens the door quickly. They hug each other warmly. Both girls are very happy today. Maria brings fresh fruits in a basket. They walk to the kitchen together. The kitchen feels full of friendship. They start laughing as they talk. It is a perfect morning for both. Julie shows Maria around her kitchen. She tells her about the new things. Maria likes the colorful dishes. The kitchen smells like fresh bread. They both wash their hands first. Julie shows the fridge to Maria. There are eggs, butter, and vegetables. Maria smiles and feels comfortable. They plan what to cook for breakfast. The morning feels full of joy. They decide to make pancakes together. Julie takes out flour and eggs. Maria brings the milk and butter. They both wear cute aprons. Julie mixes the flour carefully. Maria cracks the eggs gently. They laugh as some flour falls down. Julie cleans the counter quickly. Both girls enjoy working as a team. Their friendship grows stronger. Maria wants to learn new English words. Julie helps her while cooking. She shows a notebook with words. They read them together slowly. Maria repeats each word carefully. Julie explains the meaning with examples. Maria writes the words in her book. They both feel proud and happy. Learning English becomes fun in the kitchen. The time feels special for both. Julie pours the pancake batter on the pan. Maria watches carefully and learns. The smell of pancakes fills the room. They wait for the pancakes to cook. Julie tells a funny story to Maria. Maria laughs with a happy face. They turn the pancakes together. The kitchen feels warm and cheerful. Both girls enjoy this moment a lot. Breakfast is almost ready now. They put honey and fruits on the pancakes. The plates look colorful and tasty. Maria takes pictures with her phone. Julie smiles and makes a funny face. They both sit at the kitchen table. The food smells sweet and fresh. They thank each other for the help. Maria says Julie is a great cook. Julie feels proud and happy. They start eating slowly. As they eat, they talk about dreams. Maria wants to travel to England. Julie wants to open a small cafe. They both laugh about their plans. Maria says learning English is important. Julie agrees and gives her tips. They share stories about school days. The conversation feels easy and warm. Both feel lucky to have each other. The kitchen becomes full of joy. After breakfast, they clean the kitchen. Julie washes the dishes carefully. Maria dries them with a towel. They work like a real team. The kitchen becomes clean again. They talk about their next meeting. Maria suggests cooking soup next time. Julie says she will teach her a recipe. Both smile at the idea. It feels like a happy promise. They sit again to drink some tea. Julie brings a small cake for Maria. Maria feels surprised and happy. They eat the cake and smile. The tea is hot and tasty. They look out the window together. Birds sing outside in the garden. The sunlight makes the room bright. They talk about their families. Time goes fast when friends are together. Julie helps Mariah with pronunciation. They read words like kitchen and breakfast. Mariah listens and repeats carefully. Julie corrects her gently. They laugh when a word sounds funny. Mariah feels more confident now. Julie is proud of her friend. They plan to study English every weekend. Learning becomes a happy habit. Their friendship grows stronger each time. They decide to take a selfie together. Mariah holds the phone up high. Julie makes a peace sign. They both laugh loudly. The kitchen looks beautiful behind them. Their faces shine with happiness. It becomes a memory of today. They send the photo to their family. Both feel proud of their friendship. It is a picture full of love. Maria helps Julie put away the food. They store fruits in the fridge. Julie thanks her for the help. Maria feels like a real sister. They plan to cook dinner next time. Julie writes the recipe on paper. Maria keeps it in her bag. They laugh at their handwriting. It feels like a happy secret. The kitchen looks calm again. The afternoon sun shines outside. Mariah looks at the clock. It is time for her to go home. Julie feels a little sad. They hug each other tightly. Mariah says she will come again. Julie smiles and waves goodbye. The kitchen feels empty now, but the memory is still warm. Friendship is a beautiful gift. Julie cleans the kitchen one more time. She looks at the flowers on the table. She thinks about her friend Maria. Their time together was very special. Julie feels thankful for this day. She writes in her diary about it. Maria is not just a friend, but family. Julie smiles as she closes her diary. The kitchen is quiet and peaceful now. Friendship makes life bright and happy.